Hello my wonderful friends, you're welcome back to my channel, Erica's Beauty Talk. If it's your first time of visiting the channel, please give me a thumbs up, like, share and comment. Yeah, in this video I want to show us the DIY on how to whiten our teeth. You can see my teeth is having a lot of kind of colored and is no longer white, so I want to make my teeth white. Our teeth can have a lot of stain because of what we consume, the oil, the coffee and the rest. You can see how dirty, how brown the teeth is turning to. So friends, this DIY video, you are going to watch how I will make this colored brown teeth turn to pure white teeth on this video. So keep watching, don't skip the adverts, like, share and comment. Let's get started. Okay, for the DIY teeth whitening, we'll be needing our baking powder. This baking powder will help your teeth stronger teeth and white teeth. You can make use of any product of any make of the baking powder. It's not really necessary to be this type. They have different types in the market. This one I bought it from 99. You can see it's for 2 ringgit, 12 shillings. So you can make use of any baking powder of your choice. We'll be needing our container kind of plate. We'll be mixing our this thing. I don't want to make use of long reach toothpaste because long reach toothpaste already has its own work. So I'm making use of another paste. They call this double action fresh and clean. You can make use of any toothpaste of your choice. They call it Dale toothpaste. Yeah, you can make use of any toothpaste. I decided to make use of this toothpaste because of the mint in it, and it has a lot of good clean and fresh and clean things in mint in it, and they use the mint to make the toothpaste. So I'm going to make use of this toothpaste. We'll be needing our brush, our toothbrush. You'll be needing your ginger. We'll be needing our ginger. Then if you want, I don't have the lemon. I'm supposed to use lemon, but right now the main thing we need is the baking powder, and the lemon is very important. Sorry, baking powder and the ginger is very important for this DIY. You can use baking powder and ginger. If you have your lemon, then you use your toothpaste for forming. So let's get started, friends. So get started. I don't need much portion of the I just finished washing the ginger. I'll go ahead and use my small blender, manual blender, to blend so I think this is enough, because this is not a mixture you can preserve or keep for the next day. You can always produce it. It's easy to make at home. So I just made the quantity I'll be needing today. Yeah, I just made the quantity I'll be needing today, and this is more than enough. Friends, if you are watching this video, you've not subscribed to this channel, please try and subscribe and give us your thumbs up, like, share and comment. Let me know the next video you would like to see on my channel. Let me know what you would like me to upload next video in my channel. So I'll be missing my baking powder. I just collected a small portion. This baking powder is good for healthy teeth, and you know all these are consumable. You have to turn it, mix it very well, the paste. Some people prefer using it direct this way with your brush. You can use it and later on you use the toothpaste, but me, I prefer mixing the toothpaste inside this mixture. Yeah, you can make use of any toothpaste of your choice. I don't want to make use of the long reach toothpaste because long reach toothpaste is already good for teeth whitening and has its this. So I'll be mixing my toothpaste on this. So you can make any use of any toothpaste. Will help all those observant, the dirt on your teeth, the oily teeth, the brown teeth. This baking powder will help to make your teeth come back to its normal color. You can make use of this 2 times in a week. You can try this 2 times in a week or depend on your schedule. So this is our DIY teeth whitening paste, right? So right now I'll be going to the washroom to brush my teeth, and let's see what happens to this colored teeth of mine. If you have tried any DIY products in your house, you've tried it before and it worked for you, tell us the ingredients you use in making your own DIY paste at home for your teeth whitening and the rest. So try it. Let's see how it goes. Let me know what you've tried, if you've tried this method at home, if it works for you, and if you would like to try it. Right now, friends, we'll be going to the washroom to try our concoction mixture, DIY concoction. So let's get started inside the bathroom. So friends, I'll be starting by making use of my toothbrush to try brushing my teeth. You keep repeating the same process. The ginger will give you so kind of mixed with the toothpaste. There's this hot fresh bread I'm having right now. So you do this process kind of like 3 to depend, because I must finish this mixture. So let's go again. Oh, friends, see? Can you see any difference? Oh my God, can you see that? Can you see it? We are going for the 3rd time again. We'll be going for the 3rd time. Oh my God. Oh, I'm feeling so good. Oh. You can talk anywhere now, clap, white, smile, do things you don't know you cannot do before with your teeth. Yeah, friends, I'm feeling so good. See it? Yeah, if you watched to this extent, if not subscribed to my channel, please try and subscribe, share, like, and comment. Let's know what you think about this video. If you try this process, you try this method, let me know in my comment box below. I advise you to try it. You know, Christmas is coming, everything should be pure neat. And so everything should be nice, you know, about you. So when you are talking, you're not recovering your mouth when you're talking to people. I'm having kind of fresh breath right now. Fresh breath. This ginger can help kill the worms on the teeth, and it gives you a fresh breath. Try it if you've not. Just try it out, you will see what I mean. So if you have that uncle that has this smoke that have destroyed their teeth, you can advise them to use it. It's DIY. Anybody can do it at all. So just try it. See. So give me a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. See the way I'm laughing. I was not laughing like this before, so you see now. So I'm having a fresh breath right now. Friends, give it a try. Like, share, and comment. Thanks for your time. Thanks for my all subscribers. You are all wonderful. Please, friends, visit